Hello learners, bonjour aux apprenants and welcome to Learn French with Likiza. Today we are going to learn all about greetings in French, les salutations, which are formal and informal and the appropriate times to use them. We are also going to learn how to bid someone farewell in French. A both formal and informal greeting in French is bonjour, and this means hello, good morning, or good afternoon. This greeting can be used in the morning and in the afternoon all the way up to 6 p.m. Now, if you have been to a French class, they also teach bon après-midi, which is good afternoon, but I understand it is no longer used in France. However, it is still in use in Canada. And if there are any Canadians here watching me, please confirm in comments if I'm correct with that statement. And how you respond to bonjour is the same way, bonjour. In the evening after 6 p.m., a greeting that you can use is bonsoir, which is both formal and informal. And you respond in the same manner, bonsoir. Repeat after me, bonjour, bonsoir. Good. Just before going to bed or after dark, you can wish someone bonne nuit to mean good night. So this is both formal and informal. And the person can respond in the same way, bonne nuit. Repeat after me, bonne nuit. Good. A formal way of greeting someone or a group of people in French is comment allez-vous? And this means how are you? And the responses can be je vais bien et vous? I am fine or I am well, and you? Or simply bien et vous? Fine, and you? Please note that vous in French is used to indicate politeness or formality or a group of people. A slightly formal version of the same greeting is comment vas-tu? How are you? And someone can respond with je vais bien et toi? I am fine or I am well, and you? Or simply bien et toi? Fine, and you? Please note that toi indicates familiarity and is singular. Repeat after me. Comment allez-vous? Je vais bien. Et vous? Bien. Et vous? Comment vas-tu? Je vais bien. Et toi? Bien. Et toi? Good. Another greeting which is considered informal is comment ça va, to mean how are you or how is it going? And you can respond with ça va bien et toi? I'm fine or it's going well. How about you? Or if things are not fine, it's not going well with you, you can say ça va mal. I'm not fine or I'm not well. And another version of the same greeting, which is both formal and informal, is simply ça va, how are you? Or hello. And you can respond with ça va, I'm fine, hello. Repeat after me. Comment ça va? Ça va bien. Et toi? Ça va mal. Ça va? Good. A formal greeting or one that is used to address more than one person is vous allez bien? How are you doing? Or are you well? And possible responses can be oui, je vais bien. Et vous? Yes, I'm doing well. And you? Or if things are not going well, non, je ne vais pas bien. No, I'm not doing well. Assuming it's a group that is responding, they can say oui, nous allons bien. Yes, we are doing well. A less formal version of the same greeting is tu vas bien? How are you doing? And someone can respond with oui, Je vais bien. Et toi? And you? And this is just for a singular person in a familiar situation. Or they can say pas trop mal, not too bad, or bof, so, if things are just ish. Repeat after me. Vous allez bien? Oui, je vais bien. Et vous? Non, je ne vais pas bien. Tu vas bien? Oui, je vais bien. Et toi? Pas trop mal. Bof. Good. And if you're enjoying the lesson so far, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel before I continue. Let us now look at 3 casual ways of greeting someone in French. The first one is quoi de neuf, what's up or what's new, and there are a variety of ways to respond to this greeting, and I'll give 4 examples. You can either say pas grand chose, not much, or you can say rien de nouveau, nothing new, or rien de spécial, nothing special, or you can give information and say something like j'ai trouvé un boulot, I got a new job. And please note that in addition to number 9 being neuf can also mean new, with its feminine version being nouve. Repeat after me. Quoi de neuf? Pas grand chose. Rien de nouveau. Rien de spécial. J'ai trouvé un boulot. Good. Another casual way of greeting someone in French is salut, which means hi or hey. And please note that salut can also mean bye, and it's also casual. And then we have the very casual coucou, hi there. Please note that there are so many other ways of casually greeting someone in French, and you can check out my short on the same. Repeat after me. Salut. Coucou. Good. What about bidding someone farewell in French? We have a variety of ways to do this. And the most popular one is au revoir, which is both formal and informal to mean goodbye. And you can respond in the same way, au revoir. Now here is where it gets tricky. We have bonjour to mean hello or good morning or good afternoon. And then we have bonne journée to mean have a good day. And with this farewell, you can use it up to 6 p.m. And these are the ways that you can respond to it. You can either say, à vous aussi, if it's formal, to you too, or à toi aussi, if it is informal, to you too. Or you can still say, à vous aussi, bonne journée, you too, have a good day, or à toi aussi, bonne journée, you too, have a good day, which is less formal. We also have bonsoir to mean good evening, and then we have bonne soirée to mean have a good evening, which is used past 6 p.m. And to respond to it, you can either say à vous aussi if it's formal, to you too, or à toi aussi if it is less formal, to you too. Or you can still go a step further and say à vous aussi, bonne soirée, you too, have a good evening, or à toi aussi, bonne soirée, you too, have a good evening. If you know that you're going to see someone tomorrow, you can bid them farewell with à demain to mean see you tomorrow. Repeat after me. Au revoir. Bonne journée. À vous aussi, bonne journée. À toi aussi, bonne journée. Bonne soirée. À vous aussi, bonne soirée. À toi aussi, bonsoir, à demain. Good. Other ways to bid someone farewell in French are à bientôt, which means see you soon, or à tout à l'heure, which means see you later, and this is when you know that you're going to see this person in maybe a couple of hours time. You can also say à la prochaine fois, see you next time, or à la prochaine, until next time, which is informal. And you can also say à plus tard, see you later, or à plus, which is more informal, later. And this is how you bid people farewell in French. Repeat after me. À bientôt, à tout à l'heure, à la prochaine fois, à la prochaine, à plus tard, à plus. Good. And that is the end of our lesson on greetings and farewells in French. If you have other ways of greeting people in French or bidding people farewell in French, you can put them in comments. And if you enjoyed the lesson, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And also check out my pinned comment for links to more French resources and ways in which you can support me and my work. À bientôt!